What is up, YouTube? Today we're carrying on from the last episode where we were talking about some tips and tricks for some performance ideas and things to look out for when approaching performing specifically at festivals and clubs and stuff like that. So today we're looking at how I integrate synths into my live performances. So bear in mind, this doesn't have to be a modular synth. It can work with a variety of different instruments and stuff like that. I just chose to use a modular synth because I like having a sequencer and random generators and all sorts of stuff like that at my disposal in the rack. So I can pretty much create any sound I want to, like live on the spot. So yeah, anyway, let's dive in and have a look. So this is where things start to get a little bit more interesting. Basically, how my setup works is I've got Traktor sending out a master clock. And as you can see here in the top left, you've got this little play button. You can set up in your configuration menu to enable that MIDI clock capability. And you'll see here, this is basically flashing to a 16th of the tempo. And this is an 1/8 of the tempo. And this is every bar, I think. That's to like reset certain sequences and parameters in the patch. So this is cool because now I can play a track in Traktor that's synced up to the tempo of whatever I'm doing in my patch. And on top of that, I've got channel 2 coming out of the CV here, and that changes the notes that the oscillators are tuned to. So say, for example, I know that a track is in G or something like that. I flip over from programmer mode into chromatic mode, play the G, which I think is that one, and then flip back over to programmer mode and carry on with the set, while I've now tuned all the oscillators to G, if that makes sense. I like to do this because it gives me the ability to quickly plug in, here, start the track playing while I'm patching stuff up. And I don't get stuck in a position where I'm like, okay, I'm not sure of a patch or something like that. I've always got the track that I can fall back on. And furthermore, I can apply effects and stuff from the mixer onto the signal that's coming out of the Eurorack. So I'm going to give you guys a quick demo of how this setup works. So we switch over to programmer mode and I can find a loop. So now I've sent the oscillator into the mixer and then out here, and now I can cue this channel to see if that oscillator is to the same key of the bass and stuff before mixing it in with some modulations and stuff like that. So I'm going to check on the headphones quickly if the pitch is correct and move it around with this in chromatic note mode until it's the same key as the bass. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, big thanks to Shane at SL Soundz for lending me the mixer. I'm going to post all the details in the description, so if you are a local looking to hire some DJ equipment to practice on and stuff like that, definitely give him a shout. A big thanks to IDM Mag, proud supporters of the dance music scene and my channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. As usual, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. See you guys next time.